The Carter P4070 electric fuel pump is a dependable 12-volt unit that works well across passenger, fleet, industrial, and recreational vehicles, making it a versatile replacement choice. It delivers consistent fuel pressure and flow for many carbureted setups, which helps engines start reliably and run smoothly, even under demanding conditions. Construction quality is solid, with durable materials and good sealing that hold up well against vibration, heat, and long-term exposure to modern fuel blends. The integrated filtration and strainer design does a good job of catching debris before it reaches the carburetor, which can reduce clog-related issues and extend service intervals. Many installers appreciate that the pump is relatively straightforward to mount and wire, with a compact form factor that fits cleanly into tight spaces on frames or near tanks. Operation is generally quiet for an external electric pump, so it tends to blend into normal vehicle noise once the engine is running.